Welcome back to Deep Learn Hub. How to download and install Dell Touchpad driver, simple step-by-step guide. In today's video, we're going to help you with a common problem, updating your Dell Touchpad driver. Whether you're dealing with glitches or just want the newest features, it's super important to keep those drivers up to date. Let's get started. Open your web browser and go to the Dell support website. The link is in the video description below for your convenience. Navigating to the Dell support website. Once you're on the Dell support page, find the drivers and downloads section. You might need to enter your laptop's service tag, Dell EMC product ID, or model, to ensure you get the right drivers. Don't worry, it's usually on the bottom of your laptop. I'll be using an Inspiron N4050 laptop model. But I will show you another way using command prompt. When the command prompt opens, write the command umik BIOS get serial number and press enter. Your system serial number will show. Copy it and paste it to the Dell driver website search bar and press enter. It will show all drivers of this model. Now, scroll down and look for the touchpad driver. It should be listed under the mouse, keyboard and input devices category. Click on it to proceed. Here, you'll see a list of available touchpad drivers. Make sure to select the one compatible with your operating system, whether it's Windows 10, 8, or 7. Once you've chosen the correct driver, hit the download button. The file will start downloading. It might take a moment, depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, locate the downloaded file, usually in your Downloads folder. Double-click on it to run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After the installation is done, it's a good idea to restart your laptop. This ensures that the changes take effect. You've successfully updated your Dell Touchpad driver. If you have any questions or face any issues, drop them in the comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.